Family, how are you all? I'm going to talk about what is new in 3.2 and 3.3 update. Let's start quickly. So first thing is now you have access to this theme option where you can switch from light mode, dark mode, system mode, and you will also see this current theme option here. Okay. The second thing you have is now you have option to schedule your follow-ups. So you can schedule your follow-ups daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So I will choose here weekly. Okay, so I can choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So okay, let's go to next step. So you have option to keep same messages for the all days or different messages per day. So you can also set up your messages here. Okay, and when you choose, your messages will be disappear from here. Also you have option to add post actions here, adding to group, adding into tabs, adding into labels, and Kanban as well. Okay, so this is the new option here. So the third option you have is now you have option to share the leads with your team members. Okay, you can quickly add a new team member here. And you can quickly add a team member here. You can put a department here. Okay, and edit your template, and in a single click, like if you want to share this member with Hardik or Kuldeep or this Kamlesh, you can just click on here and boom, you will receive this message, and that's it. That it is that easy to send your leads to your team members. Thank you so much.